surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild. They can grow as tall as 6 meters. That's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Wow, that's as fast as a truck.
Their long necks enable them to reach the tops of the trees for their favourite snack, leaves.
They also sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time.
That's because they spend all day eating.
They're just wonderful.
Which is why it's vital we continue our efforts to preserve this magnificent species.
The reserve is now home to a family of silver-horned oryx. Yes, but sadly now they're extinct in the wild. But those that live here are part of an international breeding program to help re-establish the species in North Africa.
Oh, that's good news. Look around, adventurers, and you might be able to see some antelope with a white blaze on their faces. These are called blesbok.
They were once one of the most abundant antelope species in the African plains, but they became an endangered species during the early colonisation of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat.
Thankfully, numbers have since recovered and they are now deemed as a low-risk species. They live for up to 17 years and both males and females have horns.
Though the female's horns are slightly more slender.
You'll soon be seeing some magnificent beasts.
Rhino!
The rhino around us are a white rhino.
Whoa, that's a big one.
You know, researchers, wherever you get rhino, you'll see a lot of
Yeah, at least it's over there, not over here. What?
Yes, male rhinos like to be on their own, so they mark out their territory with piles of their dung to warn off other males.
Their impressive horns are made from a chemical which is actually the same substance as your hair and fingernails, and is highly prized in many cultures. Sadly, poaching for their horns continues to be a threat to rhinos all over the world.
The white rhino, though, like those here, are the most plentiful species.
I think rhinos are super cool.
Researchers, our satellites are showing that something's obstructing the route.
It looks like an abandoned vehicle, and there's no sign of a research team it belongs to. We recommend that you find an alternative route.
But don't go too far off the track.
What about
Don't worry, but beware of them.